Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Have you seen a cloth dance mid-air? No bluffing here, Mumbai is truly witnessing the magic of dancing fabric as Liva brings its fluid and flowing premium fabric put in the open for viewers to experience this technological marvel. We are here at Oberoi Mall and what you can see is a 27 feet long fabric which is hanging mid-air. As you move your hand, the fabric suspended copies the hand movements, which again goes with the brand's promise of the fabric moving as you move.
This installation which is being put up by Liva is really mysterious and magical. I experienced it myself and it resonates completely with the brand which is free-flowing.
It's very unique when you look around. It's something that, a brand you can connect with, the fabric and everything, the whole experiential. It's very nice.
Yeah, I loved it. It's really something new which I've never experienced before. It's very soft and smooth.
This is the first of its kind innovation that Liva has brought to India, which is equally exciting for viewers too. It is a great marketing initiative as they have stayed true to their core product and business. With its innovative new installation, the brand aims to showcase the importance of fabric in fashion. Liva fabric is known for its fluidity and comfort, and the installation displays these qualities in a way that's never been done before. What more, you ask? Well, this fabric is sustainable and eco-friendly. So when you wear Liva, you not only look fashionable but also do your bit for the environment. Look for Liva fabric tag in leading brands and outlets.